Introducing the Crock-Pot MultiMeal Multicooker and Programmable Slow Cooker, the ultimate kitchen companion for creating delicious, hassle-free meals. Imagine cooking 2 dishes at the same time, thanks to its revolutionary dual-pot design with independent temperature controls. From slow-cooking hearty stews to searing and sautéing for that rich caramelized flavor, this appliance does it all. Love baking? You can bake desserts and bread at 300 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. With an 8-quart capacity, split into 2 non-stick ceramic-coated pots, it's perfect for feeding your family or hosting a dinner party. And cleanup? A breeze. The pots, lid, and steam rack are dishwasher safe, making your post-meal routine quicker than ever. Plus, its DualSync technology ensures that both dishes finish cooking at the same time. No more juggling recipes or stressing about timing. Whether you're replacing multiple kitchen gadgets or just looking for a smarter way to cook, this Crock-Pot Multicooker is here to transform your meal prep with convenience, flavor, and style. Get ready to make cooking easier, faster, and more fun.